Today I'm going to be opening up some Star Wars Doorables, and I have some pretty divisive opinions about who the best characters are. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the Story Weaver, where the magic of childhood comes back to life. From mystery blind boxes to toy reviews of both new and nostalgic lines, and deep dives into the cartoons we grew up loving. Whether you're a collector or just here for the memories, it's time to unwrap some fun. Let's weave some magic.
Okay, today we're going to be opening some Star Wars Doorables made by Just Play. They make the other Disney Doorables as well, and these are specifically Star Wars. So we've got 8 of the Galactic Cruisers edition of the Star Wars Doorables, and a couple of these mini packs that has 4 figures in it. That looks like the Death Star. Let's see how many figures. These have 25 figures to collect. Let's see what we get with that. And this, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 to collect with 1 special edition. So I've got 8 of these to open today. Let's see what we get. We will start with these though. Packaging on these little figures are very cool. It's a little Death Star, so it's very neat. On the side we have our figures. And then you can use this to display your little figures. We've got our checklist here. And this are the people that we can get. On the back. Okay, let's start opening. Okay, first up, we have got Wicket Warwick. Now, Ewoks are very divisive, but I love the Ewoks. The Ewoks were actually my first introduction to the Star Wars universe. I had never seen the original 3 and actually saw the Ewok adventure first before I saw any of the original Star Wars movies. So my introduction to Star Wars was the Ewoks. And I love the Ewoks. You can't tell me any different. Okay, now we have got just gonna focus for me. Next we have got Darth Vader with his cool shiny red eyes and his red lightsaber. Very cool. Next we have got a Stormtrooper. Awesome. Has some black glittery eyes. His big helmet and his gun, which apparently needs to be calibrated in most of the movies because they can't get anything. And this is... what is this? This is Sabine Wren, and I don't know who that is. So if you know who Sabine Wren is, let me know in the comments below, because I'm not... There's some aspects of the Star Wars universe that I have not seen, some of the newer stuff, and like the cartoons, so I don't know if she's from there or one of the newer series. I'm behind on my watching, so if you know who that is, let me know. So there we have our 4 figures. We can actually set them up in there. Maybe. Oh, we'll leave those out. How about that? We will leave them there. Okay. Next, we have... checklist and our 4 figures here. Let's see what we got here. This was very small. It is Grogu. Otherwise known as Baby Yoda, but he's not really Baby Yoda. His name is Grogu from The Mandalorian. Next, we have got Rey from the newer series, the newer set of movies. So that is Rey. Okay, we've got our first duplicate. We have got another stormtrooper. But hey, they're an army, so you can never have too many stormtroopers. And last but not least, we have got Luke Skywalker with his glittery blue eyes and his blue lightsaber. There is Luke. We will put him up here and put Rey up here. So those are cute figures, and we will put Grogu there and the stormtrooper there. Okay, now let's move on to the galactic cruisers, which I'm more excited for. So these are the figures that we can get. Looks like there's Leia. I'm not for sure if that's Grogu or Yoda. We've got R2-D2. And I think that's Luke Skywalker. Darth Vader, C-3PO, Ahsoka, Stormtrooper, and another Ewok, and a special edition. So let's see who we are going to get. Okay, here we go. We are going to open the first. Of course, I'm hoping to get to the Ewok most of all. And let me open these. I'm gonna go to the bottom. is on a checklist. We have got, looks like Chewbacca is the special edition, the rare one. C-3PO, like I said, Stormtrooper, R2-D2, Ahsoka, Wicket, Princess Leia, it is Grogu, it is not Yoda, Luke Skywalker, and Darth Vader. Looks like the harder ones to get are Luke, Grogu, and Darth Vader. Let's see who we have first. We have got a vehicle. We have got Grogu. There's Grogu. There's this little figure. There's a little vehicle. We will put him in his ship. And there he is. Very cool. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Uh-oh. I'm excited. We have got quicker focus. Looks like we have got an Ewok. We do. We've got Wicket again. Wicket and his little speeder, I guess. Very cute. Love that. And next. Let's start with the figure this time. And it looks like we have got Princess Leia. She always had super cool hairstyles. She's got a braid and her little outfit. Let's look at her collar. Her ship, sorry, her galactic outfit. That's what we'll call it. In the back of her ship, she's got a little is it a snowman, kind of? So first time she's got a little passenger, and then she is Princess Leia. Over there. Number 4. No duplicates so far, so let's Let's do the duplicate no whammy dance. I may have just doomed myself to get a duplicate, but it didn't. Let's see. Let's go back to the artist one. And I did doom myself to get a duplicate. We have got another Leia. But that's okay. Princess Leia is one of my more favorite characters from the series. So, I'm upset about that. There she is. Okay, up next. Let's start with the figure again this time. And we've got a new one. Yay. We've got Ahsoka. And that series is on my to-watch list. I've not got to watch it yet. I'm way behind. There's her vehicle. We can get it to focus. It's got a little, is it a desert cat? Is that what it's called? What's her little pet called? Tell me in the comments, because I want to know. Very cool. Got the same color theming. She is down here. Down a little bit. Let's see who we get next. Hoping for a Chewbacca. Not gonna hold my breath. That would be awesome if we did get one. Okay, put that here. Here's the vehicle. And I think we may have Luke Skywalker. Just cool, he's one of the rarer ones. And we do. Here's Luke. And here he is on his land speeder. Kind of looks like he's on vacation in his bucket hat. There he is. Okay, just two more left. That's okay. Cool, we got another different one. Looks like we may have a stormtrooper. Stormtrooper. So, speeder. Very cool. Put them right here. Last one. Let's see what we get for the last. We have, for our last one, we have got a duplicate. It is another Luke. Kind of funny, I got duplicates of Luke and Leia. And this again. Luke. And back here with Leia. So there we have it. We've got all the figures. I need to pick out a favorite of the day. I'm going to pick out a favorite regular figure and a favorite vehicle. My favorite figure of the day, actually, I think it's going to be Wicket. He's my favorite. But Darth is a close second. My favorite vehicle, I think I'm gonna have to. It is Wicket again. There he is. And if you didn't know, there's also a classic 80s cartoon that was based on the Ewoks. If you haven't watched it, it's on Disney Plus. I highly recommend. The theme song is a banger. So there it is. That's my favorite of the day. Wicket. And his little vehicle. So there we have it. Tell me which one's your favorite. And if you were lucky enough to get Chewbacca.